Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to get to know to a user that you are interested in on the Twitch application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the either the discover or search icon down below and type in the name of that user that you are interested in. Tap on the result and click on the about section in the middle of the screen. Here you can read the bio of that particular user of the application, and you get these social networking sites links. So if you tap on the YouTube icon, you will be directed to that person's YouTube channel. Here is a frequently asked questions section, and so on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next video.